Another batch of constables graduated from the Nongstoin Police Training Centre. 211 personnel, including 193 constables and 18 followers, completed their basic training and passed out today. The ceremony, known as the 8th Batch Recruits Constable Passing Out Parade, was attended by Director General of Police Meghalaya, Ida Shisha Nongrang.
Malric and Mommy.
So the 8th batch here today in Sofian, I have a special connect with you. It was really a little bit harder than this when the decision was taken that we will go ahead and have the passing out parade in the auditorium. I was so glad when I reached the battalion headquarters and your commandant informed me that the boys have been spoken to and they all said we will go ahead come what may.
The India